Hello, junior scientists. We are here in the science lab. My name is Thomas, and we are going to meet two amazing scientists, Julia and Lydia. Come on out here, guys. All right, first things first, we need to have safety. I got my hazmat suit and my goggles.
Oh, Thomas, you won't be needing either of those two things. It's okay. This is completely safe.
Oh, okay, good. So, what are we going to be doing?
All right, so we're going to be talking about how water can affect different sounds coming out of a wine glass, okay? So this, in itself, you may not know, is a musical instrument.
Wow.
So just by
Did not know that.
Just by rubbing the rim, we can produce a nice clear sound.
Holy cow. What happens if you add more to this cup and put less in this cup? Will they sound differently?
We shall show you.
All right, so
Okay.
the more water you add, the lower the note gets.
Oh, I can hear it.
Isn't that
Yeah,
cool?
you can hear the pitch drop.
What about these ones over here?
Okay, so these. So because they're different glasses,
Yes.
every glass is different, okay? These, we made it so that they could be sound as a perfect chord. Oh yeah, I kind of like that.
That's unique. Yes, let's do 3 at a time.
No, the real challenge is doing 2 at a time.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. I don't think I can.
I don't know if I
There you go.
What about these ones that are empty? Does that change anything?
Ooh,
can. The fact that they're empty makes it pitched higher, okay? So if we look at this one, since it has water in it, see if I can play it, the lower notes are...
Okay.
There we go. The lower notes are harder to play. So, it's full, which means it's got pitched lower. As you notice, this one's a lot higher, okay? So the waves have a lot farther to travel through water, so that's why it's so low. Since there's no water in here at all, the waves can travel as fast as they want, which makes it higher. Much lower.
What if you add to the very tippy top?
Alright, we can do that too. It'll just keep getting lower. And it gets harder to play as you get lower.
Wow. So what happens if you say put some water in here? Would that change anything?
Absolutely.
So listen to it first.
So here's what it sounds like without any water in it. Oh yeah, masters.
What does it matter about the stem?
Yes, that's a very
Yes,
important
good
question.
question.
Your wine glass must have a stem, no matter if it's long like this and thin, or short and stubby. Okay?
It doesn't matter, just has to have one.
Or else it won't work at all. Try to keep it consistent. There you go.
Like the tip of your finger.
Thank you ladies so much for coming today. I really enjoyed your visit. So, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, this is Lydia, and she plays the flute, and I am Julia, and I play the oboe, and we're both from Hayworth. And we're planning on being music majors in college, so we're going to go into music performance.
Because music makes magic.
Yep. So since I'm wearing this, would you please play us our school song, Lydia?
Love to.